Hello guys, welcome to my channel Suno or Siko. So today we'll start with a web development course. So today we'll understand what is web development. Okay, then we'll go through what are the responsibilities for front-end development and what are the technologies you have to learn to become a front-end developer. And then we'll go through what is back-end developers' responsibilities. And then we'll understand what are the technologies you have to learn to become a back-end developer. Okay, then we'll understand why web development is important. Okay, so we'll start today. So first we'll understand what is web development. So web development is nothing but creating websites and web applications that run on the internet. Okay. So for example, websites like YouTube, Google, Amazon, pages you see on a browser. Okay. Web apps means more interactive systems like Instagram web, Netflix web, and Swiggy web. So I'll explain you with an example. So I'll go to web browser. I'll search for Flipkart. Okay. I'll open the Flipkart. The thing you can see here. Okay. So the logo. Okay, so the logo and the icons you can see, and the images you can see, the buttons you can see, these all things were designed by a front-end developer. Okay, and the functionalities like, okay, if I click on anything here, like if I click on iPhone, which it is iPhone 16 plus. Okay, why it is showing to this page only? Why not going to other pages? Because the backend developer has written a logic like if someone clicks on this image, it should be redirected to this page only, where all the details of the phone will be displayed. Okay, so this Flipkart is nothing but our website. If you install this Flipkart on your mobile or any of the systems, okay, so it is named as our web app. Okay, so this is what web development means. Okay, so first we'll understand what is the role of front-end developer. Okay, front-end development, as I have told you, it is nothing but the buttons, colors, text, images, and how everything looks and works on the screen. So whatever it is visible to us on the website, like if I go to your website. Okay, so here we whatever you can see the icons, the button, the images. Okay, so these all are designed by a front-end developer. So you can read here front-end development means building the parts of a website that you can see and use, like buttons, colors, text, images, and how everything looks and works on the screen. Okay, so the next thing is what are the technologies you have to learn if you want to become a front-end developer? So the basic technologies you have to learn is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After that, if you want to learn any of the frameworks, you can go with React.js and AngularJS, and then Git and GitHub. Git and GitHub are compulsory to every web developer. Okay, so you have to learn Git and GitHub. Okay, so the next thing is what is backend development? Backend development is the process of building the behind the scenes part of a website. Like you can see here, as I have told you, if I click on any of the products here, like I'll click on kitchen essentials, it will redirect me to this page where all the kitchen accessories essentials were mentioned. Why they're going to this page only? Why not other pages? And why all these products are showing? Because the backend developer has written the code like that. If someone clicks on kitchen essentials, it will redirect me to a kitchen essentials only. Okay. So what are the technologies you have to learn to become a backend developer is uh, okay, so first of all, you have to learn one of the backend programming languages like Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, anything. If you're comfortable in C also, you can also learn C. Okay, any of the database like MySQL and MongoDB. I better suggest go with MySQL. Okay. So if you want, if you have any doubts with database, you can comment it down. And you have to learn APIs, like how user to server works. Okay, how where the request is going to be happen, how it is going to be work. You have to learn APIs also. Okay. Then I have told you compulsorily you have to learn Git and GitHub to become a web developer. Okay. So the thing is, why web development is important? So, according to global hiring trends and IT reports, okay, in the last year, like last financial year 2024, okay, there are total 1.3 million web development jobs were posted on worldwide last year. Okay, after that, if you want to learn, want to read this point, India alone has 3,50,000 plus active job openings for web developers. Okay, you can see the numbers, 3,50,000 plus active jobs for web developers. And then the demand grows by 8 to 12% every year. Okay, faster than most other engineering fields. Okay, you can see every year 8 to 12% of growth is for web developers only. Okay, yes, if you want to learn web development completely, you just go through it. I'll share the PPT in the my Telegram channel. If you want to join my Telegram channel, I'll give the link in the description. Go through it and join the Telegram channel. Okay, where all the updates will be mentioned. Okay, if you like this video, just subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you.